Why the swim spa is a must-have for families. What is the swim spa, and how is it different from a traditional swimming pool? If you love to swim, enjoy aquatic exercise, and splashing in the waves sounds like fun, this amazing machine may be for you. Here's why the swim spa is a must-have for modern families. Swim laps without interruption. With cardiovascular and strength-building benefits, lap swimming is often a go-to activity for fitness enthusiasts and professional athletes. A swim spa offers a continuous, adjustable current for lap swimming in place. You never hit the wall and never need to turn around. Transform your swim spa into an aquatic gym. Working out in water is one of the safest and most enjoyable ways to pursue health and fitness. With a swim spa at home, you can add resistance bands, rowing bars, and even an underwater treadmill for an amazing aquatic gym experience. Fun and excitement for the entire family. If the family enjoys visiting the water park and riding the waves at the ocean sounds fun, then the swim spa is an instant hit. Grab an inner tube and ride the waves, or set the current low for a relaxing, lazy river ride. With so much versatility, the swim spa is a big hit and the key to fun and fitness. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free Consumer's Guide to Buying a Swim Spa. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.